Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on faster scroll speed on accessibility settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and here as you see you will find accessibility. Click on it, and here as you see you will find faster scroll speed. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on faster scroll speed on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.